welcome to the Wandering Chemistry. This whole video was promoted by Banauli Film City Developer. Now, today we will talk about the chemical bondings. The simple definition of a valency, namely the combining capacity of an element with respect to the number of hydrogen atoms with which an atom of an element combines, does not explain as to why elements have different valencies and how chemical compounds are formed. This definition of valency does not enable us to find out the true valency of elements which form a number of compounds with hydrogen. Thus, carbon forms compounds like methane, CH4, and ethane, C2H6, and ethylene, C2H4, and acetylene, C2H2, where their valency should be 4, 3, 2, and 1. Actually, in all these compounds, the valency of carbon is 4. With the knowledge of the structure of atom, the tendency of element to combine was clearly understood, and the electronic theory of valency was put forward by Kossel and Lewis in 1960. The valency is therefore defined as the number of electrons taking part in bond formation. Note, there is a difference between oxidation state OS and valency. The valency of an element can never be negative, zero, and fraction. It is always a whole number. Here see some elements. S6, its oxidation state is 0, valency is 2. Similarly, element H2O2, here oxidation state is -1 and valency is 2. Similarly, C2H4, OS -2 and valency 4, and so on. Here one example also C3H8. Here oxidation state is -8/3, but valency is 4. Now we see the basics of electronic theory of valency. First, the value of an element depends upon the number of electrons in the outermost orbit, which are called valency electrons. Second, the electrons in the outermost orbit of inert gases, that is 2 for He and 8 for rest of elements, for most stable structure. For example, He2, its electron is 2, so an electronic configuration 1s2. Again, Ne10, electronic configuration 2,8, or 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and Ar18, 288, or 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Similarly, Kr36, 288, or 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, and 4p6, and Xc54, 288, or 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p6, and lastly Rn86, 2, 8, 18, 32, 18, 8, 1s sub 2, 2s sub 2, 2p sub 6, 3s sub 2, 3p sub 6, 3d sub 10, 4s sub 2, 4p sub 6, 4d sub 10, 4f sub 14, 5s sub 2, 5p sub 6, 5d sub 10, 6s sub 2, 6p sub 6. This inactivity or reluctance to undergo chemical combination by the inert gases is entirely due to their saturated outermost orbit. Third, the atoms of other elements having incomplete electronic shells tend to acquire the structure of nearest inert gases. It is this tendency of atoms which causes them to combine chemically. Elements having unstable electronic configuration all elements except inert gases by transfer of electrons, electron valency, elements becomes with a stable electronic configuration and change to inert gases, and by transfer of electrons, by sharing of electrons, or by donation of at least a pair of electrons, which is called coordinate bonds or dative bonds. Fourth, the number of electrons which are involved in this chemical combination determines the valency of the elements. So now see electrovalency. Due to combination between metals and non-metals, generally compounds are solids. Covalency, due to combination between non-metals and non-metals,